Welcome back. It's now time for news overseas. Passengers aboard the Hantavirus-hit cruise ship will begin returning to their home countries on Sunday. Experts from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are helping to coordinate the return of Americans. More from the CNN.
Health authorities across the globe are working to safely remove passengers on board a cruise ship that was hit with the hantavirus outbreak. So far, 3 people have died and multiple others are being monitored for symptoms. Passengers have been quarantining in their rooms to prevent further infections.
We all went through an interview process about contacts and our health and how we're feeling. Our temperature was taken.
Dr. Stephen Kornfeld is one of 17 Americans on the cruise ship. There are a total of 147 people from 24 countries on board. The ship is scheduled to anchor off the coast of Tenerife in Spain's Canary Islands Sunday. Each country will provide transportation for its nationals. The Americans will fly aboard a chartered plane to the National Quarantine Unit, a secured facility in Omaha, Nebraska.
And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.